Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Porsche Boxster battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. When you begin, disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. This crucial step protects both you and your vehicle's electrical system. Once the negative terminal is safely disconnected, proceed to remove the positive terminal. Next, you'll need to unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which securely keeps the battery in place. Be mindful of its location, usually at the base. With the clamp loose, carefully lift out the old battery. Remember, car batteries are heavy, so use proper lifting techniques to avoid injury. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Now, carefully lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flush and correctly oriented. Once in place, secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. A properly secured battery prevents damage from vibrations while driving. For the final connections, attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Always double-check that all connections are tight and properly fitted to avoid any issues. After everything is secure, you can start your car to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.